All right, so just a couple of details. So obviously, well, some of you are local, some of you have driven up from other places, but for those of you that are local, I am, as I said, restarted Qigong classes. They're Monday nights in Castle Hayne. There's a rumor that there may also be a Friday night class as well. My business cards are over there. If you email me, I will put you on, like if you say you're interested in the classes, I can put you on like the local email list. It's just a text list of people who are local, as opposed to our bigger email list, which sends out other things. Related to these other cards that are up here, you know, we have certification program, we have all these different things that we do. For most of you though, what I would recommend, some of you are already doing the 21-day Qigong challenge, so keep doing that. Those of you that aren't, that's probably the first place that I would recommend you begin, because it's exercises like this. It starts at 10 minutes a day, and literally you can just turn it on any time of day or night and watch it, and I'll practice with you whatever hour it is, because that's just what it is, right? But anyway, if you're local, like I said, I also have these Qigong classes that I'm doing. And those are some of the places that I would direct you initially. And then obviously, if you hadn't heard, Tanya's an amazing acupuncturist. She's here in town. She specializes in women's health. Highly, highly, highly recommended. My sessions with her have been transportive. That's what I call them. So I go, man. She puts some needle, and it's like the best vacation. Anyway, and then of course tons of resources online and so on and so forth. So you can always contact me about any of those things. And yes, I get back to everyone myself. So all of these people, YouTube, Facebook, private clients, everything, all the time, I'm getting back to everybody. And then I go back to meditation, I shut it all down, I hide. And then I wait for the next person or whatever it is to come, and then I go back and do it, schedule all the Qigong stuff myself. Tanya does handle the bigger stuff with the CEUs and things with the acupuncture organizations and everything. She handles all of that. But literally, like any of the stuff that you take with us, you take an online course or something, it'll be Sunday, you can't get into it, you're having internet issues, and literally Tanya will be on the phone with you Sunday night at like 9 o'clock and stepping out of dinner so she can help you on the telephone. So, question, yes?
What's the name of Tanya's practice?
Gentle Moon Acupuncture. And her business cards are actually right here. So you can grab one on the way out. But that's her private practice, is Gentle Moon Acupuncture. It's right on Wrightsville Ave. And so, aside from that, any questions on anything we went over today? Anything that's still burning or brewing in your mind, feel free to ask me now. And if you don't want to ask me now, that's fine, and it comes to you before you're walking out the door, that's fine too. On my business cards over there is my email. You can always email me too, so, you know, whatever. But any questions, anything you guys would like to ask me before we close? See if this dude has a question? No? I told you we'd attract some different things, yes.
Thank you.
Absolutely, thank you. Thank you guys for being here. Well, you know, it's amazing because you can give free events, and sometimes people come, sometimes they don't come. So I mean, I'm really glad you guys all came, because that's what it's all about. And it's funny because again, it's a law of attraction thing. You can give something for free or something for $500 or something for $50, but there's a law of attraction as to who comes. There's never a coincidence in it. Again, it's serendipity, right? So this was a great group. You all work together well, and the energy feels really good. And I'm sure some of you are all tired. I'm a little bit tired. We'll drink some water, we'll get some rest, give us a couple days, and we'll be good to go. And those who are local, Monday night, Qigong classes at 5:30. So, you know, get set up. So thanks very much. And again, shout out to the Love, Peace, Amen Foundation. Thank you. And we'll see you next time.